Hey everybody, just wanted to put this video up here, give you an honest opinion on this kit from BikeBerry and BikeBerry in general. So it all started out receiving this thing, and I know I've posted a couple videos about building this. The frame mounts that were supposed to be there weren't there, and then I ended up buying a mount from them that they said was appropriate, and it did not work. And then they sent me another one, and that was also incorrect. I just kept moving forward and ended up buying a CDH CNC mount. I had to modify it slightly, but at least the bolt holes lined up, which didn't happen with the BikeBerry part. You can see here kind of what I'm talking about, and without these mounts, you cannot put the engine into service because it will literally be sitting on your crank, as you may be able to see from this picture. Without both of those there, you'll literally be on top of your pedal, never mind hitting it. So then it was this triple tree headset. You can see the spaces on the down tube were misaligned. The bearings wouldn't sit. I also had to re-tap the tube for the shutoff valve on the gas line. The threads did not match, and they were also marred when I got them. I tried to contact them, and they told me that they had sent the wrong part and that they did not have the part in the warehouse, and that they would issue me a partial refund. Well, come to find out through Zeta Mafia, after asking a couple of questions, this is definitely a known issue, and they are literally selling a machine that could kill you. I don't even know where to go with that. As it is now, I've tried to contact them because after I've got these forks that I bought from someone else that I had to pay more for than what the refund amount was, I went to try to get the bike together, and you'll see coming up here shortly in the videos that I had to retake and send them because they lost my information somehow over the weekend when they told me that they were going to process it and give me an appropriate response. Basically, I still have the full box that it came in, and I had even offered to send just the frame back in exchange for an appropriate working model. I don't know why they didn't jump on that right away, but after everything else I've been through in this experience, I can't say that I'm really shocked at all. Very frustrating. So here's some more of the footage. I'm just gonna stop talking here probably for a minute because I was speaking in this video a little bit, and you can get a better explanation of what's going on maybe just by watching it. But the down tubes that hold the rear wheel are different sizes. The weld cross member is 3 inches on one side, 3.5 on the other. It's basically just a piece of shit. If this was someone's transportation to get to work or something that they've been saving up for, I've had this thing for 4 months, and I've yet to be able to even try to get it on the road. So you can see that's all the way again there. This one, this is this side. I'm going to tighten this down. Just not, just barely. I keep this in the middle. Turn this here. Let's see. So that's snug. That's in place against the back of that, and then this is up like a 1/4 inch. Alright, so we're at the top of the seat post, right at the neck. Come down. Do this with one hand here, so bear with me. We're at about 18 and a half. Yeah. Let's see on this side. We are close as I can to the top, right there against that little thing. And down here at, does that look like almost 19? Yeah, it's definitely 19. I've got to say that the reason that I went through them is because their blurb shows that they're a family started business and run business, that they care about their customers. I'd say that's all hogwash. Not to mention Moses out in Central Cali and a couple other guys have done reviews on BikeBerry that ride this type of frame as well. This is a Gasbike frame, not the felt faker frame. There is a little bit of a difference, but as you can see, it's definitely not worth your time. I know you can get these kits in fullness for about $300 less and probably have none of the aggravation. My advice to anyone out there starting out or that's been in this for a while, do not go to BikeBerry for anything. I don't know. I wish I could tell you something that was more genuine than that, but that's as real as it gets. I've also had problems with Gasbike.net as far as their motors, although I just showed one of their frames for $100. Don't buy anything off of Amazon, and typically the motors coming out of New Jersey on eBay are without any type of problem and seem to last, at least 3,000-4,000 miles.